Take two.
Hi.
Behind the scenes humor. Hi, this is my lovely wife and talented, by the way. Lovely and talented wife, Angie. My name is Rick. We are Harmony Vintage. And the biggest thing going on this right now, our first and primary message, it is heading into Memorial Day weekend.
Yeah.
So
Memorial Day.
Happy Memorial Day. However you celebrate, just take time to honor and possibly mourn the fallen. Memorial Day started, I just looked it up, 1868.
Really?
1868, and it was called Decoration Day back then. It was established to mourn and honor those who lost their lives while serving in the armed forces. So I think it's kind of blended into this weird kind of, it's Memorial Day, it's Veterans Day, it's the beginning of summer, it's a great day for a barbecue, it's a shopping day. But we want to take time and honor the fallen and show our gratitude to those who served. So we have a lot of veterans in our audience.
We do. Dean
Hess, Kevin. Kevin was a huge Navy guy. Even Charles.
Where did he serve?
He was in the Army.
In the Army.
Yes.
Thank you, Charles.
Thank you, Charles. Also, we had to mention Charles this week because he got real mad at us last week because we didn't mention him. So he threw kind of a temper tantrum via my friend Kevin.
Sorry, Charles.
So there we are. So for those that have fallen, we honor you. We remember you. For those that have served, we thank you. And I think it's easy to sometimes forget and just kind of get wrapped up in where you're at. But a lot of people gave a lot.
Yes.
Some people gave all they had so that we can do this stuff. So thank you. That being said, it's going to be a great weekend.
I'm looking forward to it.
It's kind of the unofficial beginning of summer.
Yes.
It's supposed to be 80 degrees today. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, blue sky.
Blue sky. Birds are singing so loud. I had to shut the windows, to be honest with you. But let's see. At Vintage Marketplace, what are they doing? They're doing regular hours Saturday, 10 to 6, 11 to 5 on Sunday, and closed on Monday.
Right.
Vintage Marketplace is in Fort Collins on the corner of Trilby and College.
And they're usually open on Monday. They're just closing for Memorial Day.
They're closing for Memorial Day. So that's them. And then Sugar Mill is 10 to 6 Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So they will be open on Memorial Day. So after you've given thanks to those who gave all, you go out and do some shopping, you can go to Sugar Mill.
Yes.
This is kind of weird. For those of you that know me best, in my prior job, I worked every Memorial Day.
For 25 years.
For 25 years and possibly before that. So this will be my first Memorial Day in 25 years. And we just talked about this a moment ago. I don't know what we're going to do. We're probably, maybe we'll barbecue or something else. We'll do something, but we'll make the most of it, and we will honor the lost. What else is going on, love? Who did we see yesterday?
Right. We kind of had fun yesterday.
We had a great day yesterday.
We went to Sugar Mill and we got to see Anna and Donna. Sorry.
Anna and Donna.
It was my first time to meet Donna. So hi, Donna.
Hi, Donna. Hi, Anna. Anna, those sandwiches were amazing. They brought us Buc-ees brisket sandwiches.
So good.
So good.
Thank you.
Thanks for that. Had a really good time. I used to work with Anna and Donna. Had a really good time catching up. I got to show them the IOD booth, got to show them the vintage booth. But mostly, the best part about anything you do to me has always been the relationships.
Sure.
So
yes,
those two, amazing.
Two
and it was
very special ladies.
super special. And thank you for your support and watching. And it was so good to catch up with you.
Yeah.
That was really nice. So that was sweet. And again, Buc-ee's brisket, it's the real thing.
Oh, yeah.
I was skeptical. I was skeptical before I ate there, and now I'm a fan. So,
yes.
So there we go. Let's see. We had a comment from one of our friends,
Tony.
We love you, Tony. Last week we did that awesome dresser mirror combination, and Tony kind of contacted us and said, "Hey, how about some befores and afters?" So, welcome to the before and will be after episode.
This is a very before.
This is very before, very before.
Yes.
So we want to kind of give you an idea. We started a little bit on them before we kind of came up with the idea, but it's kind of where we're at right now. So we wanted to show you. But these two pieces, this vanity and this chest of drawers, were from the same people and the same collection. And we started to work on them, but then we stopped. We pumped the brakes and said, hey, let's do a video and we'll do some befores and then we'll do some afters. So would you like to talk about the structure and what it is you look for, what you like, what you're doing, where you're going? I see you got some paint and some stamps over there.
I do. So our good friend JD gifted us these pieces. So thank you, JD.
JD, you're the man, dude.
We want to make them really beautiful. I feel like they're very feminine, and so I'm probably going to go for a feminine look. Both of these pieces are structurally really in good condition. Like there's really no
structurally sound.
Yes.
What'd you call it? Good bones.
They have good bones. You can have good bones without having good structure and furniture, but these have both. The only thing that they really have is some veneer damage. You can't really see in the video, but there was some veneer damage. So we're filling that in. We'll sand that out. We also, I don't know if you can see, this piece, one of the knobs was broken. So we're taking one of the knobs from the vanity to put it on the dresser so those all match. And then we filled in the holes because we'll put new hardware on this. So they'll be a little different on the hardware.
So it was the same piece, essentially, the same finish, the same hardware, the same collection. But you are going to make them different now. Yeah,
I'm probably going to make them different unless one turns out so amazing I want to do the other one just the same way. We'll see what happens.
I have been warned that if this piece happens to suffer an accident, it will be staying here. So more to follow on that.
I know, isn't this so cute? I love the size of it and the detail on it. So this mirror does go up into this space, but we had already taken it apart. So as in terms of a vanity, I just think it's beautiful. And it has some great detail.
I'll make space for it in the bedroom.
So a little bit of my process when I'm starting a piece.
Please tell us.
I know, I like to stare at it a long time, and poor Rick has to watch me do that. I like to set it out and kind of look at it, and I like to look at some of the detailing that's on it. So like here on the front of this, I don't know if you can see, what is this called?
Fluted pilaster.
He's a furniture nerd. So yes, it has this little fluting here along the front. So I think that'll be really pretty, probably distressed. And then it also has this pretty detail in between the drawers here. And I'll paint that, probably distress it, but I was thinking about using this kind of fun stamp. This one's called Bohemia. And see this really pretty detail?
Oh, wow.
I think I'll probably flip it this way and run it along the tops of those drawers.
That looks awesome.
So something like that. I'm not entirely sure yet. I look at it. I usually grab grab my colors if I want to use any stamps or transfers. And sometimes I'll have an assortment, and as the piece progresses, then I'll settle on.
There's a game we play while she goes through this process called "What color is it today?"
The color does change often.
What color is this piece going to be as of today?
As of today, I'm going to use Deb's DIY paint in the color Apothecary, which is, it's a little bit of a greenish bluish color, and it's kind of got a country look to it, a soft look. So that's what I'm thinking of. We do not sell Deb's DIY paint, but you can buy it at Sugar Mill. The paint is right next to the IOD products that we have. So you could grab some paint, you could grab some stamps or some transfers right there in the back of Sugar Mill.
Okay. So at Sugar Mill, they have the Deb's DIY and we have the IOD.
Yes.
As of today, what color is the vanity going to be?
Honestly, it really depends on how this turns out. I'm not planning to make the pieces match because I want this one to be really feminine. They'll both probably be feminine, but this one. So one of the things when you're painting furniture, you do a lot of white because that's what people like in their house. But when you get a vanity, you can kind of go a little more frou-frou-y because girls like feminine, feminine frou-frou-y vanities. If I can say that.
Okay. Well, what else? Anything else going on? Where's your list? Did you hit your list?
You said you had your own list.
I have my list, but you had your list.
Oh, I didn't know I was responsible.
Oh, there it is
for
over
all
there.
Of that.
But I think we got it.
We did.
Okay.
We did.
Good. Well, just some odds and ends. Almost 600 plays on the last video.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, you guys. This is remarkable that people would push play and certainly to see you, but to listen to me, it doesn't make sense. But almost 600 views. It might be 600 by now. So you guys are really coming through for us. We do appreciate it. Friends, family, we appreciate you. JD, appreciate the gifting. Always want to push my friends over at Dispose Bros. If you need somebody to do a haul away service for you, they are amazing. They have a 5-star Google rating. They recycle or donate over 50% of all the items they receive. They are local men. They are men of integrity.
And we've received some of those donations.
We did. That chest last week, that dresser last week was from them. They're great. So if you need something hauled away, call Dispose Bros. Thank you to JD. As per usual, we have all the things. Please like the video.
Yes.
Put the little heart or the thumb.
Yes.
If you are on YouTube, please subscribe and comment. I got to get better about that. Got to get better about Instagram too. We're gonna work on Instagram.
Working on Instagram.
So please please share. We do appreciate. This is please share and thank you for sharing. By the way,
yes, we have so many faithful sharers.
We just got a thing today that our buddy Kevin is our number. What was it called?
He's our top fan.
Top fan. Kevin, you're the man.
Yes.
Kevin. Charles, pick up your game, buddy.
I was going to say Charles isn't going to like that. But I did want to say, we do these videos every week. Sometimes it's a little hard to get it going. But it really pays off for us. I think getting to hear the feedback from the people watching, getting to know people. It's really helpful as creators. Getting that instant feedback is kind of amazing. So I really appreciate it. I think you do too.
Absolutely. Another veteran, my friend Mark. Memorial Day brother. Thank you for your service. Indiana guy chimed in with some comments, said what's good and what's not. Well, I think he said what's not on the phone and chimed in.
He's helping us date furniture.
He was helping us date furniture. So I appreciate it. You know what? And please, if you see us do something knucklehead, please let me know. If it's
Me
too,
too. Yeah.
If it's too knucklehead, call me or text me. So what else, dear? Anything?
Nope, that's all I had.
That's all you had. Espresso, and then we'll chime out here. Love the espresso. Needed the espresso today.
We did.
Again.
This is our second one.
It is our second one. To our veterans, thank you for all your service.
Yes.
All kidding aside, Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Coast Guard, whatever you did, we appreciate you. Thank you very much. We know we sometimes take it for granted, but when it's brought back to memory, we do want to honor you. So thank you very much.
And thank you to the families.
Oh, goodness. I think sometimes it must be harder on the families than it is on the tough.
Yeah.
With that in mind, again, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, and thank you for being a part of this journey with us. It is the best thing I have ever done, and I thank you for making it happen, helping us making it happen. Love you guys. Have a great Memorial Day weekend. Bye.
Bye-bye.